I'm in here cleaning up tonight because tomorrow morning a friend of mine that does carpentry work is coming over and we are going to add some shelves. Now, I put these shelves up a few years ago, not too many, maybe 3. All that stuff comes about midway to that shelf area, and there's some heavy items up there. Too many heavy items up there on top. We're going to add more shelf space right across the center of that line all the way down. Back here we're going to add another level of shelves across the top of that area where those bats of insulation are. We'll just run another level of shelves, just a continuation of the mid level that's going to go in between those two shelves there. Just a continuation of that all the way across that wall there. This guy is pretty fast, and he's going to put that together for me tomorrow, and then if we got time, or he'll come back the next day, and we'll just run some new shelves all the way down that wall back there behind that double-headed lamp there. And the reason why I'm doing all these shelves is so I can organize all of these small parts in here. I got hundreds and hundreds of small items in probably 20 or 30 different categories, and I just need a place to start organizing this stuff instead of just moving it this way and pushing it that way and not knowing where stuff is and losing it. Well, we're making some progress here today. We got these shelves going up and nothing on them yet, but there's my buddy John, a carpenter friend of mine. He's over there getting ready for that last section on that side, and then we're going to just continue that level all the way around this back wall. Got all these shelves done all the way across. Got room on the floor. Could actually open the door and drive something in now. Well, not really, because I got some stuff against the door right at the moment. Still not completely sure where I want to put things. I'm moving things this way and that way, but we're getting it done. And doing a couple of videos today. We'll put this one up, just showing the progress we made in the shop here, getting things cleaned up. Do a video today on the wood stove, how I load it up and how I use that, and some starter videos. I did one video already, it's already done. I just gotta go through the processing, editing and all of that. And I'm going to do one here on a starter solenoid, just show what's inside of that. Get ready to do some alternator videos. Just a few things just to keep things going, but that's what's going on in here. We got it all the shelves done, and I'm happy with that. Now we got a way to organize things a whole lot better. I'm going to try to show something here. Don't have a good background, but that's what this boom is for, is to be able to raise this thing up and down as long as the back end of it here is. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but the way it's designed is the camera's going to hold its position wherever you got the camera sitting at. It's going to stay like that while this goes up and down. And so I don't know if that's going to benefit me or not, but just not being able to have the camera looking over my shoulder when I'm leaning over something, like the battery box on my truck, under the hood in the motor area. Sometimes I'm trying to do video up there and I can't hold the camera with one hand and do the work with the other one. I need two hands, and there's no place to put a tripod. Well, this being able to reach out sideways is a step towards fixing that problem. And of course this mount here I can put on some of anything. I can make another mount that'll be taller or whatever to put that on. probably going to use this to do the video on the wood stove. Let me show you what I did to this table saw. Took a piece of plywood scrap and cut it out to fit across the front of those legs on the bottom. Went to Harbor Freight, got some solid tires on the rigid casters. I don't want the ones that swivel in this case. And I don't buy wheels from Harbor Freight anymore that have air in them because every last one of them went flat. I'm hoping these don't go flat. Anyway, let me show you what that does. By the way, those are mounted with that just a hair above the floor. Let's see there. Now just pick up these back handles back here just move the thing around like a wheelbarrow. It was hard to move this thing around without really scratching on the floor. Yep, real nice, just like moving a wheelbarrow. And it's pretty solid when it's on the floor because all four legs are on the ground and the wheels are off the ground. Alright, thanks for watching.